Hello everyone, this is Unit 4, Formative 2, Day 3, multiplying binomials. So we're going to multiply two terms by two terms. Right, the first one is y plus 6, so here's one binomial. Okay, and then we're going to multiply that, y times 4. Now this is two distributed properties, so this actually looks, we're going to take this y, and we're going to multiply it by both terms in the other set of parentheses, so it looks like this. Then we have a plus here. So then we're going to take this 6 and we're going to multiply it by both terms. Okay. So it's like two distributive properties. So we have y times y, which is y squared, and then y times 4, which is 4y. Okay. And then we need to take 6 times 6y, I'm sorry, 6 times y, which is 6y, and then 6 times 4, which is 24. Okay. Now make sure you combine like terms. If you look, the middle two terms are alike, so we need to combine them. So we have y squared, 4y plus 6y is 10y, and then plus 24. Okay, and that's our answer. Okay. Next one we're going to do without writing everything out, but again, it's two distributive properties. Okay, so we're going to take this 2a, okay, and we're going to multiply it by the a and the 6 in the other parentheses. So we have 2a times a, which gives me 2a squared. Then we have 2a times 6, which gives me 12a. Okay, that takes care of the 2a. Now we need to take this negative 1 and multiply it by the a, and we get negative 1a. And then negative 1 times 6, and we get negative 6. Okay. Just like in the previous one, if you look, the middle two terms are alike, so we need to add those or combine those. So we have 2a squared. 12a minus 1a is 11a, and then minus 6. And there's your answer. Alright, now this one has variables in it, an x and a y. Same concept though. Okay, so we're going to take the 3x, we're going to multiply it by this 3x, and then we're going to multiply it by the negative 5y. So 3x times 3x is 9x squared. Okay, and then 3x times negative 5y is negative 15. Now x times y is xy. Okay. All right, now we're going to take negative 8 times 3x. Okay, negative 8 times 3 is negative 24. And then we have an x times a y. Remember, go alphabetical, even though the y is first here. Okay, we're going to rewrite it with the first letter in the alphabet. Now I'm going to take negative 8y times 5y. So negative 8 times negative 5 is a positive 40. And then y times y is y squared. Okay? And if you look at your middle two terms again, they can combine. So you have 9x squared. Negative 15xy minus 24xy is negative 39xy plus 40y squared. So you should see something that's happening every time. Every time we're going to middle two terms are combining. Okay? Most of the time that will happen. Okay. All right, next one is 2x minus 3, and we have a squared here, which means this is used twice, okay? We're not distributing the exponent here because there's a minus sign here. So this is actually 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3, and there will be one like this on the test, so make sure you know how to do these. Okay, so we're going to take the 2x times this 2x and get 4x squared. And then we're going to take 2x times negative 3 and get negative 6x. Okay, now this negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. And then this negative 3 times negative 3 is a positive 9. Again, look at your middle terms. So we have 4x squared, and then we have negative 6x minus 6x is negative 12x plus 9. There's your answer. Last one. Okay, two variables again, so we're going to take this 3x times that 3x, and we get 9x squared. Then we're taking that 3x times y, which is 3xy. Now we're going to take this negative y times 3x. Remember, that's always a negative 1. So that's negative 3, and then we have y times x, so we're going to put an xy. And then negative 1y times y squared gives us, negative 1y squared. And again, your middle two terms are alike. So we have 9x squared. Now 3xy minus 3xy, that cancels. and we're left with negative 1 y squared. And that's your answer. All right, you guys have a great day. See you in class.